How to take burst photos using the volume buttons on iPhone. Taking burst photos on your iPhone has never been easier. And with a simple setting adjustment, you can enable this feature using the volume buttons. Here's how you can do it. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down until you locate the section labeled Camera and tap to access its settings. Within this menu, you'll find a variety of options that allow you to customize your camera's functionality. Among these, look for the option titled Use Volume Up for Burst. If this feature isn't already activated, simply tap the switch next to it to toggle it on. The switch will turn green, indicating that the setting is now enabled. Once you've done this, you're ready to take burst photos effortlessly. Open the camera app, and instead of pressing the shutter button on the screen, simply press and hold the volume up button. This will trigger the burst mode, capturing a rapid series of photos in quick succession. This feature is perfect for action shots, group photos, or any moment when you want to ensure you capture the best possible frame. With just a few taps in the settings, you've unlocked a powerful tool that can take your photography to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.